One of the best-selling hand blenders right now is this one, the OVENTE. It's only $15. So now we open it up and see why it's so popular. Hey everyone, I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender Series. Today we unboxing the OVENTE Immersion Blender. It's cheap, trending, and the design really stands out. Let's check it out. First, we got the instruction, nothing fancy, simple and straight to the point. And next is the blending stick. It's made of stainless steel. The blade has two prongs and is protected by the metal guard. This guard is also designed to prevent the blade from scratching your cookware. And this is the main unit. It features a sleek and ergonomic design with a 300-watt motor. Not the strongest, but should be enough for your daily task. Regarding build quality, the plastic construction is about average, nothing special. On the front, there are two buttons for two different speed settings. I will turn the blender on to see how they work, but first, we need to connect it with the blending stick. The process is very simple. Light them up, press them together, and you're good to go. So now I will turn it on. The cord is long enough and the blade has two prongs. Here we go. Well, nothing tricky here. This one is for light blending and this one is for stronger power. Both of them are very responsive. Now we'll give it a test run with some fresh fruits. But for your first use, don't forget to clean it with sharpie water. Blending was easy. I just used one hand and it stays steady the whole time. Plus the handle didn't slip while blending. I could feel the difference between the slow and high speed, which was nice. There were no sections at the bottom, so I had no trouble moving the stick around for an even blend. No splashes, no mess. I'm very pleased with the result. That's the OVENTE Immersion Blender unboxed. At $50, it's not the best, but works well enough for your basic needs. We'll test it out soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. Thanks for watching Shouldit and see you next time. Bye!